Hello, everyone. In this video, we will look at a case study on finding the closest pair of 2 points. Now, this is the visual illustration. We have all these points. You can add more points here, add more points. Now, which two are nearest to each other? So right here. Now, let's add another one. Then you see it right here. And now let's add one more here. So this two are. So we're going to write a program for this. And this is the visual representation. And you'll be able to write this GUI programs in the future. But for now, we focus on the behind the scene, the algorithm. How do you find the 2 points that are nearest to each other? So we're going to represent the 2 points using a 2-dimensional array. So this is number of points, will be number of rows. And each row has 2 values, x, y coordinates. So we're going to prompt the user to enter the number of points. That's the number of points right here. And then we're going to create the array to store all the points, number of points. That's the number of rows here, and each row has 2 elements. And now this is the input to get all this input from the user, and for each point, enter 2 values for x and y coordinates. So the idea now to write this program, how do you find the 2 points that are nearest to each other? So you compare the distance for every 2 pairs of every 2 points, get the distance for every 2 points, and then find the one with the shortest distance. And that 2 points is the one we need to look at it. It's the answer. So we do this now. We pick any 2 points to begin with. So this is P1, P2. So that is index is 0 and 1. And assume this is the shortest distance. So this is the method shortest distance to get the distance of the 2 points. So this is the x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is the distance. And we put the distance method right here. This is distance, return this right here, the distance. Return. So this is what we have to begin with. And it's there's 2 values. It's in P1 and a P2, and this is the shortest distance. And now we're going to update P1 and P2, update the shortest distance. So we're going to start this loop, and this is for every point with index I, and look for the point with index j, and j is starting from I plus 1. This is the distance, and so we get the distance, and I compare the distance with this shortest distance right here. If its shortest distance is greater than this distance, so now we need to have this, we need to update the shortest distance, and the new shortest distance is this distance, and new P1 is I, and new P2 is J. So we keep doing this to compare all pairs of 2 points and find the distance and get the shortest distance. After this loop is finished, and this is the nested for loops. So this is the this first outer loop is for 1 point, and now this the inner loop for other points. That is all for this case study on finding the closest pair. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.